Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Honda Key Fob cover is probably one of the most essential accessories for any Honda owner looking to protect their valuable key fob from everyday wear and tear, accidental drops, and scratches, ensuring its longevity and pristine condition while also adding a touch of personal style and improved grip, making it a practical yet stylish upgrade that safeguards your car's entry and ignition system. Number 5. Sindeda Leather Keychain for Honda Smart Key. Introducing the Sindeda Key Fob cover, designed for your Honda Smart Key. It offers full protection with a soft TPU material and a stylish leather keychain. This accessory is compatible with a wide range of Honda models, including the Accord, Civic, CR-V, and Odyssey. Ensure it fits your specific key fob by checking the provided images. Crafted from high-quality, soft TPU, it features a new electroplating process and a frosted texture. This ensures a perfect fit and a comfortable feel. Enjoy 360-degree protection against scratches and shocks. The design maintains signal integrity and does not cover your car's original logo. The attached keychain makes it easy to carry, adding both convenience and a touch of style to your car key. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues, please contact us for a prompt and satisfying solution. What we like. This key fob cover offers a soft TPU material with a matte texture for a comfortable grip and enhanced durability. It provides 360-degree protection against scratches and comes with an attached keychain for easy carrying. If you're looking for a stylish yet protective cover that doesn't interfere with your key's signal and adds convenience with a keychain, this is a great choice. What people say. It is durable, looks nice, and it's functional. The keychain and the carabiner-style hook are well made. It actually protects the original key itself, and very durable. It works fine over the original key itself. It protects my fob without adding too much to the profile and barely any weight. It looks really durable, doesn't require any tools or screws, and the color really pops. Number 4. TANDRIVE Silicone Key Fob Cover for Honda. Introducing the TANDRIVE Key Fob Cover, designed to protect your Honda key. Ensure a perfect fit by checking the second picture for compatibility. Crafted from food-grade silicone, this cover offers a smooth, silky texture for comfortable handling. It provides a healthy and safe way to protect your key. This cover offers complete protection against scratches and wear and tear. It ensures your key fob remains in pristine condition, looking like new for longer. The white buttons are fluorescent, making them easy to see at night. Importantly, the signal from your key will not be affected, and all buttons align perfectly. Each package contains 2 key covers and 2 key chains. This ensures you have a spare or can protect multiple key fobs. Key fobs can be expensive to replace. These holders are essential for safeguarding yours from damage caused by everyday items in your pocket or bag. What we like. Made from food-grade silicone, this key fob cover offers a smooth, silky, and comfortable feel. A standout feature is its fluorescent buttons, which make it easy to locate your keys in the dark. If you value comfort, safety, and the convenience of finding your keys at night, especially if you often misplace them in low light, this 2-pack option is ideal. What people say. The buttons are just as easy to press as if there were no cover. Full access to the key blade without removing cover, if I ever need it. Very easy to remove cover for a battery change. Fits well, easy to put on, seems like it will give good protection. All the control buttons are in the same place and function as easily as if not covered. The button labels are identical to the key fob, and are pressed into the material so they don't rub off. The key fob still functions like it does, if it wasn't covered. Buttons are responsive, without any issues. The best part is the button covers glow in the dark. This makes them easy to see, and find while driving at night. Number 3. Honda Key Fob Shell, USA made. Shield your key fob from daily wear and tear with this premium, crack-resistant replacement. It's crafted from high-quality material for extended performance and protection. Enjoy a seamless and secure fit designed specifically for your Honda Key Fob. It ensures full functionality without interfering with keyless entry or ignition. Proudly manufactured in the USA, this key fob shell offers unparalleled durability. It outperforms standard shells with superior longevity and protection. Installation is a breeze with the included hex key. Simply swap out your old, worn-out shell for this sturdy, long-lasting alternative. This innovative design includes a built-in stainless steel bottle opener. It adds extra convenience while maintaining a sleek form and ease of use. What we like. This key fob shell is proudly USA made with a crack-resistant material for superior durability and longevity. It offers a seamless fit and full functionality, replacing your OEM shell. The unique integrated bottle opener adds a practical touch for everyday convenience. If you prioritize robust, long-lasting protection and appreciate an innovative, multifunctional design, this is the shell for you. What people say. This Honda Key Fob shell is a solid, sturdy plastic replacement that feels tougher than the original and can handle everyday knocks without cracking. The case is very solid and held together with 4 Allen head screws. The case is slightly larger than the OEM Honda Key and feels much better in my hand. And it is solid with no looseness or wiggle like the original keys. This one feels sturdy. It adds some length but isn't noticeable in my pocket. Number 2. Mild East Honda Key Fob Cover with Keychain. Introducing the Mild East Key Fob Cover, designed to protect your Honda key with style. It offers a perfect fit for your smart remote. Crafted from high-quality soft TPU, this cover provides a comfortable and excellent touch feeling. Its durable design ensures long-lasting use. This accessory offers complete 360-degree protection against drops, scratches, and abrasions. It keeps your keys in pristine condition without affecting the signal. Featuring a fashionable color-matched design and a premium zinc alloy keychain, it adds a touch of elegance. The triple electroplating ensures strong color fastness. With a 1:1 original key fob mold opening, every button is perfectly accessible. You can easily press all functions without any hindrance. Please double-check your key fob against the provided pictures to ensure a perfect match. This cover is designed for specific Honda models and button configurations. What we like. This key fob cover boasts a premium soft TPU construction with a strong color fastness achieved through triple electroplating, ensuring it looks great for longer. It's paired with a durable zinc alloy keychain. If you're looking for a key cover that combines high-quality materials with a fashionable aesthetic and excellent color retention, this option is perfect for adding a pop of style to your car keys. What people say. Perfect fit and beautiful. This key fob cover fits perfectly and made my key fob so cute and customized. Exactly as pictured and great quality. Fit nicely. I like the white, it looks nice. Number 1. Honda Key Fob Replacement Shell Case. Is your Honda Key Fob looking worn or damaged? This replacement shell is designed for select Honda models, offering a perfect fit for your Accord, Civic, Pilot, or CR-V. No need for a locksmith. This shell requires no cutting. Simply transfer your existing key blade and internal components from your old remote to the new case. Give your car remote a new lease on life. It's a great solution for cracked or broken key fobs, restoring both appearance and functionality. Remember, if your original key has a transponder chip, you must transfer it to this new shell for your car to start. Some users find a small amount of glue helpful for securing it. Before purchasing, please compare your original remote's shape and button layout to the product images. This 4-button shell is compatible with several part numbers, ensuring a proper match. Please note that this product is the key fob shell only. It does not include any electronic components, circuit board, or battery. You will reuse your original internals. What we like. This product is a replacement key fob shell designed for DIY installation, perfect for refreshing worn or broken original key fobs without needing to replace the entire unit. It requires transferring your existing electronics and key blade. If your current key fob case is cracked or damaged and you're looking for a cost-effective way to restore its appearance and functionality by reusing your original internals, this is the solution. What people say. My key fob was sadly coming apart. After getting a new battery put in at one of my oil changes, I noticed the connection from front to back was loose and then at some point it would not stay together. I ended up duct taping it together as I was told a new key fob was really expensive. I was so happy when someone shared that they had seen a key fob for Honda on Amazon. So for such a low price, it was worth a try. I was so happy that this fit perfectly. The assembly was pretty easy, but I did struggle a little to align everything up and wasn't sure how hard I could push as I didn't want to break it. I may need to change the battery now, but it does work, and bonus, I don't need duct tape any longer. Key broke out of the original plastic housing, so I ordered this and it worked great. Installed it following the instructions and it feels more sturdy than the original. Everything fit great and it looks great too. Exactly what I needed. My key fob had been broken for a long time, and I already wasted over $30 on a low-quality replacement from a local auto parts store. The fob still worked, but it was falling apart. I came across this solution and within 3 minutes my key was back to working like new on my 2007 Civic C. Simple, fast, and actually worth it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.